Okay, so check this out. You can make awesome sketch notes with Google Gemini, and it's totally free. What if you could turn a complex idea into a simple visual, like in under a minute? It's crazy easy now. So let's break it down. I'm going to show you the exact steps to make this happen.
All right, step 1. First, you've got to get your explanation ready for Gemini.
First up, pop into Gemini and turn on thinking mode. This just gives it that extra brain power. And this is huge. You have to define your audience. It changes everything about the explanation. Okay, now for the fun part, the magic prompt that turns text into a visual. Super important pre-step here, you have to turn on the Create Images option. Don't skip this. And here it is. This one simple sentence does all the work. Seriously, that's it. Then just let it cook for a few seconds, and boom, there's your sketch note. So remember that nice, clean explanation we made earlier? Gemini takes that block of text and turns it into this, a super clear visual sketch note. How cool is that? Love how it turned out? Great, just hit that download button. But wait, it gets even better. You're not just limited to a simple chunk of text. Think bigger. You can throw in a huge PDF, a full YouTube video, even a long article. And the steps are pretty much the same. Ask for a summary first, then hit it with that magic prompt. What you get is a powerful one-page visual that makes tough info easy to grasp, right? So really, this makes visualizing information something anyone can do. It's a game changer. The tool is in your hands now. The only question is, what are you going to simplify first?